and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Now, I've got here my Aldi user's manual for my Easy Home Air Purifier. Okay, now this is it, and I'm going to show you how me and my girl share the cleaning. So, I get this, it's an air duster, air blower. It's on a thing, psh, it blows, yeah? So if I need her to do it, I call her over and said, I need you to do a blow job for me. She's willing to, she's ready to oblige. And if she wants me to do it, she gets the Hoover. You know, indeed I say no more. And that's how we clean our Easy Home. Now, let me show you how we get the filter out. Turn it upside down, and on there you can see a lock and unlock. To unlock it, follow the arrow, basically. Okay, we're gonna put a bit of pressure down on it. I've got to use my other hand. Down and turn, that'll be lock, down. Right between the legs. Now, oh my days, hold on 1 second. Right, as I said, down, turn, unlock. There it is, it's off. And inside there, there's our filter, and you can see the muck on it. Right? So if I switch the Hoover on, what am I doing? Sorry about this. There we go. You can see just how effective it is. Alright, let me switch that off for a minute, and I'll give you a demonstration of her doing me. You hear the pressure? Let me get it on a bit depth there. Yeah, put your mask on. And that's how we share the cleaning of our Easy Home cleaner. Hair purifier, not cleaner. Okay? So I'm gonna hoover this up and get back to you. Let me carry on. Make sure you get right in that hole. Nice suction from your Hoover. Right? Once I've done all that now, switch that off, and it's her turn to do her bit. And this is how she does her bit. Make sure do a good job. Okay, that was just a little bit in the can. Oh, there's quite a bit left in there. Anyway, that was just for a demonstration. So we take that out and we look inside here, and there's nothing in there apart from dust. So we could, let me see if I can give you a better demo with this. Yeah? You see? You see it, isn't it? Yeah, so you need to be out in the open, somewhere vented. Preferably also put a mask on your face. Alright, so we're gonna just put this back together. Drop that in there. That one here, I've looked carefully. it's not sided, so it can go in either way. So we drop that back in there, just like that. Get our lid. There we go. You see the grooves on the corner? And the slots on the corner. Locate those in there, near as you can to your mark, and then you turn. Again, I need 2 hands, I think, just to hold it while I apply a little bit of pressure. Let me just see. There it is. Finito. Turn it the right way up. Remove that plug. Put that one in. Switch it on. And there you are. We're good to go. Once more. Switch it on. And you can see we're back in business. Okay, so till next time from Trace People's Pick, for all those who are out there robbing people, do stop it. Okay, take care of yourself and of each other. See you later.